When disasters cause damage to your home or business, the last thing you should deal with on your own is an insurance company that undervalues your claim. Copper State Adjusting LLC steps in as Phoenix Public Adjusters, who handle every detail, from assessing damage to negotiating with insurers, so property owners like yourself can focus on rebuilding their lives. Across Arizona, whether you're dealing with water, fire, storm, or structural damage, our Phoenix Public Adjusters review policies, document losses thoroughly, reopen denied or lowball claims, and pursue settlements that reflect the true cost of repairs. While standard adjusters can rush the process, the Copper State methodology demands rigorous attention to detail, as no two losses are identical. We only get paid when you do, meaning no upfront cost or risk. For a complimentary claim review, contact our Phoenix Public Adjusters by calling 480-915-9554 and visit csadjusting.com.